No problem. Then next question to uh, Shafiq.
Yes, sir.
How many years old? How many years old the narrator was?
11 years.
Thank you. Correct answer. Next question to Sama Mohammed Zaid. Okay. Ghayal Zaid.
Yes, sir.
Your question is what was the name of the place where the roller coaster?
Disneyland.
Wow.
Disneyland.
Wow. Great. Beta. Thank you. Mute your mic. Next question is to uh, um, 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 Mohammad Raza Nayani.
Yes, sir.
Nayani Mohammad Reza, your question is what was the name of the roller coaster in the Disneyland?
Mm, California.
Hmm, 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 hmm. Yes, you are right. Speak full name.
California swimming.
Exactly. Why are you afraid? You are afraid of Rohan, sir?
No. Yeah.
Then speak freely. Okay. Next question is to uh, Seth.
Yes, sir.
Seth, I'm going to present my screen and tell us that where have we reached? That is your question. Have we done this page?
Yes, sir.
Moving on. How much have we done on this page?
Sir, we done enthuse.
Great stuff. Seth, read these three lines.
Yes. Yeah. To go with mom, I'll take you your hat my dad offered. I silently handed him my hat and peered up at the ride. It couldn't be that bad, right? Let's look. Come. I thought I can probably ride this.
Okay, Seth, yesterday I heard you reading. That's why I asked you again to read. See, here the question mark was there. There is the importance of question mark and full stop, even in reading. It couldn't be that bad, right? You have to ask the question, right, beta?
Yes.
And again, that looks calm. Calm means cool thing, shant. So you have to read according to the feeling, whichever is written, beta. Okay, anyways, hold on for a minute. Let me explain these three lines. Now, students, the story so far was narrator was trying to escape. She was trying to run away from the ride because she was even afraid of looking at the ride. What happened? She was trying to walk towards the boardwalk. Boardwalk means towards the garden area where the benches and the trees and other things were there to play. She thought that she will go away from the California screaming and she will wait there for the friends. She will play there in the garden. Now, as soon as she was about to reach to the boardwalk, her mother pulled her inside the line. Inside the line, waiting for which ride?
Roller coaster.
Oh God, what is the name of that?
California screaming.
Exactly. Option 1, SCREAMIN apostrophe. Option 2, SCREAMING. Which option is correct?
Sir, N.
N.
I
SCREAMIN.
said I said which option means one or two. You have to speak. Don't just stretch the topic.
One.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, number 1.
Okay, mute the mic,
Number
everyone.
one.
Keep the mic on mute. Thank you. So the story so far was narrator refused. No, mom, I don't want to sit in this. Her mom insisted. Oh, come on, please sit. You will enjoy. Don't be afraid. I am with you. This and that. Then narrator tried to show the hat that if I will sit, my hat will fall down. Then narrator's mother narrator's father said that, okay, I will handle your hat, you go with your mom and enjoy the ride. Now, narrator cannot refuse. She cannot, you know, argue with mother and father. She had no way out. She had to sit there. So, narrator silently handed the hat and went up at the ride. She looked at the ride as if she had to sit there. Unfortunately, she had to sit there. Even though she was afraid, she had to now go there. It couldn't be that bad, right? So now narrator was trying to explain her own heart, her own mind. It cannot be so bad. I will handle it, this and that. She was trying to convince herself. She was trying to explain her mind that please calm down, nothing will happen. Now, let's see what will happen. Seth, please continue.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will tell you stop. Till then, you read. Here, I don't think.
Okay, fine. Let's go. I
Where,
said,
Seth? Where you want to go? Please read.
yeah, I'm ready.
Oh,
Okay,
I thought you
fine.
said. Okay.
Okay, fine. Let's go.
Again,
I, s-
Seth, where do you want to go?
sir, anywhere.
Then come and join me in the class.
Okay,
Well,
fine.
sorry, continue.
Okay, fine. Let's go. I said, the end of my words is starting to pick up excitement.
Okay, Seth, you will explain this line. Come on. Okay, Ayaz, where is Ayaz Bitta? Absent. Okay, please write absent if even he she's sorry he is present. Next, Nakvi, explain this line.
Okay, sir. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Let's go. I feel the end of my words starting to pick up excitement. Sir, the narrator told to his mom that okay, I am ready to go. And when he says that word at end, he's starting to pick excitement of that. Uh, uh, he also he also thought that let's go,
Thank you. Mute your mic. First
and
of all,
from
please
there
clear what is
on
he
from
and what is she.
on from
First of all, please clear what is he and what is she. How can he be excitement? Narrator was a girl. So, narrator said, okay, fine, let's go then, if you are insisting, mom. She could not say anything else. She had to go. So she said, okay, fine. Now, this was the last word narrator said down there. Then she was not able to argue anymore. And then the excitement started in her heart. Now, if I have to go, what will happen? If I will fall down or not? Even if I will not fall down, what will happen if the roller coaster will go upside down? This and that. Every single thought was there in her mind. And you know that butterflies in the stomach when something good is going to happen? When you go on the stage, before that, you are excited. What will happen if I'll go this and that? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that kind of feeling that was going on in the narrator's mind and heart. Now she was excited because she had no chance of fearing. Even if she is afraid, what will she do? She had to go. So now there was the excitement rather than having the fear. Okay, Saf, continue.
Yes, sir. My mom and I headed toward the ride, leaving my dad and brother behind. I was actually half excited to go on this ride, despite my nervousness before. The line moved quickly, and we were soon halfway through.
Okay,
I
for
was
a minute, hold on. See, now what is the narrator trying to say explain is now what is happening with her. After standing in the line with her mom, it was like the narrator and her mother's chance was soon going to come. But narrator's dad and narrator's brother were still far away from the ride. Okay. Now say for an example, if this is a long line, people are standing here, narrator and her mother were here somewhere, and her dad and brother were somewhere here. Okay. So narrator stood here with her mom. So there was a narrator and her mother, father and brother. Four people were there from the family in all. Now what happened? Now she was half excited, only half 50% fear was there. Okay. Even if she was nervous, she was still excited at the same time. Because for the first time she is going to ride the thing. She was going to put out the step from the comfort zone. The line was quickly moving as the roller coaster was very big. At a time, 6, 7 people were able to sit easily. Okay. So soon they were halfway through. Halfway means when there is a long line, you reach till the half line. That's called halfway. Yes, Seth, continue.
Yes, sir. I was wondering why the ride looked better when I looked up at it the second time rather than the first. Then it hit me. I had forgotten about the loop and drop. The sun had been beating down on my face and blinding me without my hat. I totally overlooked the worst parts. However, there was no turning back now.
Okay, hold on. Now I shall turn on the camera and explain. Mm, okay. Now, students, what happened? Look at me here in the camera. Uh, there is how to keep the mobile phone. There is no stopper kind of thing. Okay. Done. Now, students, what happened? Now, when they were in the line for reaching to the California Screaming, what happened? Suddenly, they reached in the center. Now, when they were standing in the center, the sunlight was directly coming on the face of the narrator and her mother. The sunlight was directly coming on the face. So she was not able to see the turning point, the drop, the upside down. She was not able to see because the sunlight was exactly on her. Sunlight was exactly on her.
Head.
Face. Head.
Yes. Whatever you say, it was just covering the face. Okay, it was hitting her eyes. So she was able not, when the sunlight is there, you cannot open the eyes fully. You cannot see. You have to do like this. So she was not able to see anything. Now, if you are not able to see, you will not be afraid. Only when you will see turning upside down, you will become afraid. But if you cannot see, you will not become afraid. Are you understanding this language? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Um, this camera. Oh, okay. Now, if you are not able to see what is going on up, you will not become afraid. Exactly, this is what happened. Previously, narrator was wearing hat. Because of hat, she was able to see everything. Now the hat was in whose hand? She gave the hat to? To whom did she give the hat?
Son.
Eh? Narrator was 11-year-old. Her son.
No, no, sir.
Narrator was wearing hat. Before going in the line, she gave the hat to whom?
Her mother.
I shall slap you tight. See, I am scrolling down the page. Read this, Hassan, where my cursor is moving beside my photo.
Yes. Yeah, go with mom. I'll take your hat. My dad offered.
Yes. Who took the hat?
Dad. Her dad.
100 times. Shall I give you to write it 100 times?
No, sir.
Okay. So now the hat was in her father's hand, who was standing, I don't know, 10 or 11 tons behind them. Okay. Now, narrator was not able to see up what was going on in the ride because the sunlight was directly coming on her eyes, and then she was not afraid because she was not able to see anything. Now, as she was not able to see anything, she was half excited and half worried. Okay. Now she was just waiting for her turn with the mother. Anything, any doubt here till here? Anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay, Seth, please continue. I don't know where did you reach. I forgot the
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
line.
We were almost to the coaster cars. I became more nervous as time went by. Would this ruin big rides for me? I didn't know
Ruin.
the answer, but it was too late to think. We were getting on. I was too scared to sit in the front or the back. So we settled in the second division.
Okay, hold on. Now, students, what happened? Now the time went by slowly, slowly, slowly. They were reaching to the ride. Finally, the next turn was of narrator and her mother to sit in the roller coaster. She said that she was very nervous. Okay. The coaster cars started filling the passengers. So narrator started choosing the car. In which car will she sit? She said that in the front, if she will sit, she will become very afraid because the fall and everything she will be able to watch clearly. Even if she will sit in the last car, again the same fear, she will be able to see everything. So she selected the second division. Which division?
Second.
Second.
Sand.
Oh, great. Okay. Seth.
Yes, sir. When we got on the ride, the seat belt bars
Came down.
came down back, so we settled, and my regret settled in. I was stuck. The coaster slowly inched out of the covered boarding area and into the launch. The sun blinded me as the ride inched outside, then the car stopped, and the heat soaked into the riders as we waited to blast off.
Okay.
After
Now, again, please pay attention here. Now, students, again, what happened? Let me explain it to you. Oh, yes. Now, what happened? As they were waiting, they sat in the second car. In which car did they sit? In which number car? Second number car. They settled down. Okay. Now, as they sat down, settled down, there was a shelter. There was shelter. But slowly, when the car moved outside, the sun again hit the
Narrator means narrator face.
hit means एक लगाया सन ने एक जोर से लगाया
No.
then
Or flash means your light.
फ्लैश लाइट सन ऐसे करता है चलो भाई फ्लैश लाइट करो हाँ what kind of English you will learn? See, don't spoil mine. If you want to learn, you are free to learn. Yes, where is Nakvi? Otherwise, he never stops speaking. What do you mean by sun hitting the face? नकवी रागी बसन हाजिर हो. Hey, am I not audible, boys? Hello, hello.
Sir, you are audible.
Obviously, this is my new phone. How it will be not audible?
But Rakib is not admitting his mic.
He might be having some issue in his ears. Forget about it. Where is that boy? Gabrani.
Yes, sir.
Rehan. Gabrani Rehan, tell me what is the meaning of sun hitting the face? Sun will come down.
No, no, sir.
Then
Sun gives his light.
he is, you know, sun is boy or girl?
Sir, don't know.
If it is not a boy, nor neither boy nor girl, then you should use the pronoun it. 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 Sun gives out the light. It's light. So when directly sun is on the head, its light falls on our face. It is called sun hitting the face. Boys, is that clear? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Great.
Yes, sir.
Now, again, coming back to the paragraph, whatever Saf read now lastly was, when they were sitting in the second number car, they were inside the shelter. But slowly the car moved out, and again the sunlight fall on her face, was falling on her face. Again, she was not able to see half of the thing because her eyes were becoming short. Cats are there in our group, huh? Cats are studying. बिल्ली आ गई ग्रुप में. This is hopeless. So now the narrator was not able to see half of the thing. Now they were just waiting for the ride to start. Any doubt still here?
No, sir, no doubt.
No, sir, no
Sir,
doubt.
no doubt.
No, sir, no doubt.
Now what happened? Slowly they moved out. The seat belts, they were wearing the seat belts. The iron rod was there to hold so that they don't fall down. Everything was pegged. So here the word is used in the paragraph. If you can see, I was stuck. Stuck means when you are trapped somewhere, where you cannot go out. Now narrator was sitting there, the belts and everything was there. She said, "Now I am stuck. I have to now sit till the ride gets over." Okay, clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Chef,
sir. Can I read?
who is this?
After
Okay, now let Gabrani read. I have not heard how he reads. I don't know. Gabrani Rehan, will you be able to read or you are busy with your breakfast?
No, sir.
Thank you. Please read from here.
Yes, sir. After a few seconds, thus
That
that seemed like a minute.
is not written. Where did you bring from? Where is a? Do not add your things here, please.
A voice talked about safety, and then came to the countdown. Moments later, 5. I
Clenched,
clenched my
sweaty.
sweaty hands, and had a nervous smile on my face.
Okay, thank you. Hold on. Now,
Hello.
students, shall I turn on the camera and explain, or is it okay like this?
So turn on the camera.
Turn on the camera.
Someone is eating and speaking. Whatever.
yes, sir. That's why Muhammad said.
Okay. What today? What do you have in the breakfast?
Sir, no, sir. Shawarma.
Wow. All alone, huh? Don't even ask to Rohan, sir. And then you say that sir is scolding. Kitta.
Sir, you are explaining so in the
So what? You are understanding and you are eating, that's not a problem. When I'm explaining I'm eating, that's a problem.
No, sir, I speak at the ha. You speaking and I speak, so you scold me that why you are speaking.
No, no, for eating I will never scold you, beta. As far as you are understanding the story. Let me turn on the camera and then let me fight with you. Okay. No, no, I'm not going to fight. There is Sunny sir at my home to fight a lot with him. Again, coming back to the topic. Okay, after a few seconds, what happened? You know, when you start the car, drrrr, the vibration starts and the car starts. Similarly, the ride started. And the narrator was holding the rod like this. Sweaty. Sweaty means sweating. You know, sweating, perspiration, pasina. So it was full of sweaty hands. She was holding like this because she was nervous. What will happen? In which speed we will go down? If it will turn upside down, will I fall down? Now the countdown started. You know, people, what is the meaning of countdown? What is the meaning of
Yes, sir.
countdown?
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of countdown?
2.
When the count is going down, 5, then 4, then 3, 2, 1. This is called countdown. Okay. So the countdown started. 5. On the count of 5, she clenched her sweaty hands. She holded rod. She holded the belt. She was trying to make herself comfortable and feel safe. Not safe, safe. Okay. Hassan, please read. Okay, hold on. Let me give the chance to new people. Let me first check the time. It's 10:06. Okay. Okay, those who want to read, raise the hand or type the message.
Sir, sir,
Ah, Saif,
can I?
you got the long time, beta. Don't do like that. Give the chance to your friends also.
Okay.
Let me check the messages. Oh. Ha. Paryani Shafiq. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Read this much first. Let me see how will you read. First, let me highlight properly. Yes,
Yes.
beta.
For I am gold.
Shafiq.
Yes.
Full stop is there, beta. Full stop is there.
For
You cannot read it.
4.
Ah.
I am gold.
What?
My dad. Glad.
Yes.
My dad took my hat. Or it would be.
It would have.
What, sir?
Would have.
Would have
Fallen.
fallen off. 3. Why did I go on this?
Wow.
To my mom,
Tilted.
her, tilted her head toward me,
Smiling.
smiling. Read,
Ready?
she, ready? She asked.
Okay, beta. Excellent. Today you will get the score 10, let's say 8.5. Very good. Lastly, you got 7, right? Now you have 8.5. Very good. Okay. Now, students, with every count, what happened? 4. I am glad my dad took my head, otherwise he would have fallen off. Now, that narrator is saying on the 4th count, oh God, thank God my hat is with my dad, otherwise my head would have fallen off. Otherwise, my hat would fly away because this ride will go too fast. On the count of 3, why did I go on this? Now, slowly she is thinking, Why is she sitting here? She should have refused. She should not sit here. On the count of two, her mom tilted means bend her head towards me, smiling. Now, the last count, and her mom asked, ready? One. I nodded slightly and the ride began. Nodded means yes. She shook her head and the ride started. Zoom. Okay. Hassan, continue.
Sir Kapasi?
Kapasi.
Yes. 1. I nodded slightly, and the ride began. The car shot forward at
No.
what?
Unimaginable.
Yes, unimaginable speeds. I was screaming. However, I was screaming with thrill rather than fright. We boosted up a hill. Not the biggest one, but still pretty tall. Pretty
Okay,
tall.
hold on. Now what happened when the ride started? The car shot forward at the unimaginable speed. Imaginable means what? The thing which you can imagine. Oh, this will happen. But unimaginable means what? The thing which happens more than your expectation. So the car shot. Shot means like a bullet. Zoom. With a very high speed. And the narrator was screaming. Screaming means what? If Saf will turn on the mic, you can hear Arhan screaming all the time.
Yes, sir.
Ow! That is the
Yes.
screaming sound. Okay. So the narrator was screaming. However, I was screaming with the thrill rather than the fright. This line, people, you have to understand. Narrator was screaming. She was shouting. But she was not shouting because she was afraid. No. She was enjoying very much. That's why she was shouting. We boosted up a hill, not the biggest one, but pretty tall. Now, she said that the car, the roller coaster went up very fast. But it was not the biggest hill. Biggest hills were still there. But this was still very tall hill, very up. Yes, continue, Hassan.
Yes, sir. I couldn't even tell if we were going up or down. So by the time we were hill, over this hill, I was ready for the big one. The ride continued over a few more bumps and then approached approached the big hill.
Okay, hold on.
The co-
Now what happened? Now the narrator said that when it went up, again it went down, again went up. So she was not able to decide because she closed her eyes. Now she is saying that I could not say whether it's going up or down. I just closed my eyes. She was just enjoying the ride. Then she said that now the ride was going to go to the tallest point, to the highest point. Continue, beta.
yes, sir. The coaster slowed and snapped into place on the inclining
Inclining.
yes, yes, inclining tracks. We started going up, click, click, click. Slowly but surely, I tilted my head, resting it to the side and took in an amazing view. I could see across the whole park. We were, yes, we were so high. I didn't dare look down. Click, click, click. It would take a while to get to the top.
Okay, hold on. What is the meaning of inclining, Hassan?
Yes. Slanting.
Very good. Slanting means not straight,
Yes.
somewhat tilted. So now what did narrator say that now, okay, let me turn on the mic. turn on the camera again. Otherwise, I would not be able to explain this part. Every time I turn on the camera, I have to comb my hair properly. Yes, this is proper. Now what happened, students? Now the point came, the time came when narrator reached slowly up and to the top part. Okay, so slowly it came up, the ride stopped. Again, slowly it came up, and now it was at the top part. Now the ride was like this, slanting, not straight, slanting. She could see everything down, everything like it was going very down like this. So just imagine you went to the 10th floor. You went to the 10th floor and now you're standing like this. What will happen? If you go down, what will happen then?
Oh, we die.
Sir, we afraid.
How will you die? Why will you jump from there? It is, I'm just asking you to imagine. Who is this? Hassan becoming very serious. Why? Don't do that. See, have you seen bungee jumping?
No, sir.
Yes. Yes, yes.
Yes. What is that?
No, sir. No.
Yes, Hassan.
No, sir.
Then who said yes?
He said yes.
Let me explain. Bungee jumping is when you go to the 11th, 12th floor, the rope is tied around you, rubber rope. It is obviously very thick rope, and you jump from there. That's called bungee jumping. It is a game.
Yes.
People even do it from the Burj Al Khalifa. So it is a madness, total madness, insane people. Anyways, so this is almost like this. When you're sitting in the car and it is from the 10th floor, you will go down, zoom, with a speed. So narrator reached at the top, now they're going to go down directly. So now they're afraid. Now they're at the top part, now they're afraid. What will happen? It will go down with almost like the car running on the highway in that speed. Let's see what happens. But let me see the time. What is it? Okay, the time is up. Now we will continue it in the next lecture. Have a nice day. I hope you enjoyed.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
આજે આવવાનો છો સેફ બોલ ટ્યુશન આવવાનો પંચાયત હા મિસે કીધું તું પૂછજે એમ